Hi there guys, welcome to another YouTube video from Ross Perry Productions. This is actually the 12th video I've now made on my 2009 Jeep Wrangler. I hope you're taking some time to check out my other videos. But in this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the air filter. So obviously we're going to come around the front of the car to do this. We're going to open up both of these tabs here. And now my model actually has the key lock in the middle as well, so I'm going to go ahead and unlock that. There we go, and then there's a tab just above the Jeep sign. Then we're going to push to the right, and then we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. And with your bonnet now safe and secure, we're just going to come over to the left hand side of the engine bay, and you'll see this black box here with the duct coming off of it. Now, what I probably should mention is this is the 3.8 litre petrol engine, not the later 3.6 or the diesel, but they're still relatively similar. So all we're going to do is undo each of these 4 clips, and then this is probably the hardest one to get to. Just popping that off. Now it's a bit hard to do this one-handed, but you're just going to go ahead and lift the box lid straight up like that and set that to the side. And then that actually allows us to remove our air filter. Now this was recently replaced, hence you can tell it's pretty white in condition, but we're just going to go ahead, drop that straight back in with the longer fins facing down. So get your new filter or replace your old one. One thing also I'd like to mention is you may want to just vacuum out any debris or leaves from the box. This one's clean. And then refit your filter, making sure it sits flush all the way around. Get your lid back from earlier. Again, hard to do one-handed, but just making sure it seats all the way around. Do back up each of the clips. There we go. That's how easy it is to remove and replace the air filter on a 2009 3.8 litre V6 petrol Jeep Wrangler. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead, give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.